So the hip new thing is EWG Ned rigs, just like a worm hook for fishing. That's what I always call them, is a worm hook. Now it's not a J hook, it's a little bit more distance between the hook point and I guess the shaft of the hook, extra wide gap. Now someone figured out how to do it. I don't know if the first person that did it actually had the hook bent all the way like that, but I figured out a way that you can do it yourself. Now to do this, you're gonna have to modify your mold. I use a Dremel. I wouldn't suggest using a drill. I don't know what else you could really use. You're gonna have to cut into your mold a little bit. Now what I did is I modified the 3/16. My Midwest Finesse mold from Do It Molds is the multi-size. It goes from 1/16 to a 1/4 ounce. And when I'm using a Ned rig, like the regular traditional Ned rig, I use the two smallest sizes, 1/16 and 3/32. I think the lighter weight is better. A lot of the places I fish is really shallow, so that's why I use the smallest two. So to keep from ruining my Ned rig mold, I used a size that I don't regularly use. And I think with the EWG setup, you'll use a little bit heavier weight. I could be wrong, somebody correct me on that. But what I did is I did the 3/16 ounce. Since it worked, I'm probably gonna go back and do the 1/8 ounce too, because I think that'll be two good sizes for the EWG setup. These aren't cheap. To buy them, you get like a 3-pack for like $5 to $7. That's kind of ridiculous. Do it yourself. Didn't take me very long at all. Make your own lures, save you some money, and it'll be a lot more fun catching them fish on a lure you made yourself. Let me show you guys how I did it. That's it. Easy little project. Took me about maybe 15 minutes. It takes a little bit of time to pour them to get the sinker eye right, but it's not that bad. It ain't no worse than doing spinner baits. So give it a try if you're interested in it. Save you a lot of money. They don't give these EWG Neds away. So maybe it can save somebody else a little bit of money. Speaking of Ned, look at my shirt. Give a shout out to my buddy tnliprippers, Dustin. He wanted some of these shirts made up, and I always print one shirt off first, make sure I ain't fixing to screw it up, and I always do my size. So I got this one, Give Me Ned Till I'm Dead. Thought it was kind of fitting for the end of this video. Anyways, if you try this project out, let me know how it works for you. I'll see you guys on the next one.
I look down the road, by my half a seat.